Welcome to this tutorial where I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app, Rentman Actions Automation for Workflow. Once you're on your account, navigate to App Marketplace, head over to the search bar, search for the app and click on it. Click on Install, head over to Allow and Install and click on it. Ignore this pop-up. Reload your tab and head over to the custom page, click on it, and you'll have this interface right over here with all the features such as the documentation and everything you need to begin your journey is right in here. We have the tutorial video that is going to guide you on how to get the necessary credentials to set up your app. You have the app set up right over here, no worries. Let's walk you through on that. Click on Start Setup and you'll be required an API key. Let's head to the account which we've created online. Click on your configuration and you click on integrations under the company details. Then you head over to the API and click on connect and as well click on show token. Copy the token and you click on close. Head over to your account and paste the API key token here. Then you click on complete setup and your app will be successfully configured and set up. We have the support center where you'll be able to create a ticket and book a live call with the team. We have the change log feature that is going to enable you to track all the new updates and improvements made on this specific app. And to receive emails, toggle on the email notification button and you click on subscribe. Toggle on the email notification button, insert your email and you click on subscribe. You've learned how to install and set up your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.